estate went boom and the money mushroomed, and miners we became. And against my better principles, I climbed aboard that train. Well, the TV sets and the four-wheel drives don't make themselves, I'm sure. So the Chinese and the Indians, they love our iron ore. I'm riding this gravy train. You tell me a better way. I'm surfing that boomtown wave. Well, I just hope we got something saved. Well, the nickel and zinc and crystals pink, coal and aluminum. Don't forget our good old mate, uranium. Yellow cake, salt and nations bold, we'll use it for nuclear power. Well, that's okay if it stays that way. What if things go south? Riding this gravy train. You tell me a better way. I'm surfing the boomtown wave. Well, I just hope we've got something saved. We're resource rich and labor poor, let me make this clear. Just out of school and washing dishes for 100 grand a year. Well, the old rule says you should study hard, the uni you must go. But a truck license and some 30 plus will get you on that show. Riding the gravy train. You tell me a better way. I'm surfing that boomtown wave. It's the future we've got to pay. Bust in this I trust, you know it'll happen one day. And the holes we've dug won't look so smug as they did yesterday. When it all runs out they'll scream and shout, where's my 100k a year? And the skills I've got, well they won't mean squat, we'll find a new career. I'm riding the gravy train. You tell me a better way. I'm surfing the boomtown wave. Got something, I just hope we got something. Riding the gravy train. You tell me a better way. I'm surfing that boomtown wave. Well, I just hope we got something. I just hope we got something. Riding the gravy train. You tell me a better way. Surfing that boomtown wave. Well, I just hope we got something. I just hope we got something. I'm riding the gravy train. You tell me a better way. I'm surfing the boomtown wave. Well, I just hope we got something safe.